Welcome to Mother Hubbard's, where we are a nursery and you pick flower farm here in Northwest Indiana. It's a noisy morning here in Northwest Indiana. My rooster's doing rooster things. Exhibit A. The flower farm's looking a little bit tired. So what I'm going to do this weekend in lieu of the you pick, which is all we do except for special orders, I'm going to be doing a flower bar. I post it on all my socials, let all my customers know ahead of time so that they know that it's not a you pick weekend. I have enough flowers to do this for this weekend, but I think after this week, it's just not going to be good. And I don't want to give customers anything but a wonderful experience. Now it's an incredibly noisy morning. I have to run the irrigation, the pump out. So instead of adding that sound while filming, I'll film some of me picking, maybe do a music over something pleasant for you, and then I'll come back. I have flowers here behind me, but as you can see, it's not as many as maybe you were expecting. I was in the middle of picking. People started pulling up early. I've been busy all day with customers. I still have a lot of flowers here for people to make bouquets with. But yeah, the flower bar has been a success, and that makes me happy. You know, I'd much rather see these flowers in people's homes where they can be enjoyed instead of just kind of dying in the field. We're getting ready to close out this flower season, and this makes me happy. So we're open today and tomorrow, and then that'll be it for the season. Like this video if you like this video. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified next time we upload a video. And until next time, keep growing strong.